question for you. Do you know where your thymus is? I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Well, if you don't know, you're not alone, as it's one of the most underrated organs in the human body. This is what your thymus looks like. The thymus is a gland located behind your breastbone, which looks like this. It's most active when you're young, especially during childhood or puberty, but over time it shrinks and turns into fat. So, what does the thymus do? The thymus trains T cells, also known as T lymphocytes, which look roughly like this. So, the cells start out in the bone marrow, but eventually move to the thymus, where they're trained to distinguish foreign objects like pollen or other factors, or from normal human things like proteins. Your thymus actually helps shape your adaptive immune system. It helps you remember past invaders and beat them, such as having a cold before and after. The first time, the cold is horrible, but the next time, it's slightly better. But when the thymus is too weak, it can cause problems like DGeorge syndrome. DGeorge syndrome, also known as 22q11.2 deletion syndrome, is where a small part of this 22nd chromosome is missing. This can cause heart abnormalities and impaired immune system and developmental delays. If you are diagnosed with DGeorge syndrome, it means that part of your 22nd chromosome is missing. Another human disease is myasthenia gravis. Myasthenia gravis is a chronic autoimmune neuromuscular disease. Big word, I know. Myasthenia gravis is a chronic autoimmune neuromuscular disease that leads to the weakness of the skeletal muscles, particularly those controlling the eyes, eyelids, facial expressions, chewing, talking, and swallowing. This is a picture for reference. This condition occurs when the communication between nerves and muscles breaks down due to antibodies blocking or destroying the receptors at the neuromuscular junction. Common symptoms include drooping eyelids, double vision, and muscle weakness that worsens with activity. While there is no cure or treatment, there are ways to help manage symptoms. So, the next time you have a cold or the flu, remember what helped you beat that, which is your thymus. And next time, maybe think a little bit about the small organ that helped you throughout the way. Bye. Thank you.